Alright, good people, we back with another one. Today, we making a classic banana French toast. While simple, but a lot of y'all don't know how to do it. So, I'm here to show y'all how it's done on this day after Thanksgiving morning. Perfect time to get in the kitchen. Go ahead and get you some old-time Texas toast. One of the secrets to the recipe is the thick slices, you know what I mean? Go ahead and grab you some bananas. Ultra ripe Jones will work as well. You want to grab you some milk, 2/3 cup. Grab you some vanilla, you know what I mean? We're going to throw about a teaspoon of that in there. Grab you some cinnamon. We'll do about, you know what I mean? You can play with it and like a half a teaspoon, a whole teaspoon, however you want to do. Normally, we would throw the nutmeg in there too. But I just checked the cabinet and we all out. So we gonna improvise, we gonna do it without the nutmeg. The nutmeg you wanna throw in there, same amount of nutmeg as cinnamon, about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg you wanna throw in there. 2 eggs, we gonna get our mixture made up and then we gonna come back and show you how to dunk it and some of the tips on the dunkulation. So let's go ahead and throw our milk in. Bang, you know what I mean? Like I said, 2/3 cup milk. Get that out the way, bop. Get our eggs up in that joint. Now, as you see, I'm using the Ninja blender over here in the background. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got a Ninja blender, you can use any type of blender, or you can just mix it by hand, man. It ain't gonna make a big difference, but I just like the blender because you know it keeps it wild immaculatized. You know what I'm saying? Crack your nana, bang, throw that joint up in there. 1 banana is fine. If you want to go with 2, that works as well. You know, go ahead cracking. Hopefully your hands is washed up like mine. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So like for me with my Ninja 16-ounce cup, if I throw 2 nanas in there, it's gonna get a little over explosive. So that's why I keeps it down to just 1. Let's go ahead and get our cinnamon in there early. Like I said, we're gonna overcompensate since we ain't got nutmeg today. So we're gonna do a whole teaspoon. Actually, we're gonna do a little bit more than that because we like our Jones wild cinnamon around this joint, right, kids?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Got the kids in the background on camera duty, you know. It's the holidays, so we kicking it, you know. We gonna get our vanilla up in there. We want at least a whole teaspoon of vanilla up in that joint. Bang. Maybe a little bit more because we overcompensating without the nutmeg today. Get that out the way. Hopefully y'all like me and you got the God's Hall on deck, turkey bacon. That's gonna go down in a minute. So what we gonna do, we just gonna go ahead and slap that joint up on there. We ain't got our nutmeg, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Make sure you tightened up. Bang. Throw him up in your Ninja. Hit it. Let it get busy. Just like that, we got our mixture, wild immaculate. We gonna come back in a minute. We gonna show you what we gonna do with this fire and how it's gonna get crazy. All right, good people, we back, man. Listen, your mixture, pour it in a nice sized bowl. You know what I mean? One that the bread will fit in perfectly and it ain't gonna go everywhere. The key is get your pan stupid hot, wild buttery, right? Hold on. Matter of fact, while I say that, let's throw some more butter in. And listen, man, it's the holidays, so we ain't too conscious of bam, how we getting busy, you know what I'm saying? So boom, do that. Now the key is to soak your bread thoroughly, but not over soak it. So you want to dunk, drop, flip, spin, shake off the excess. Remember, it's Texas toast, it's gonna soak it up real good, and then bomb into the pan with it, straight like that. Bomb. You know what I mean? Bomb. We ain't letting him sit in that soak up too long. That banana and that cinnamon, it has to permeate and penetrate in your bread real quick. Bomb. You see the God's Hall over there cooking and simmering. We got the eggs over here, real righteous. So we're gonna drop a few of these on in the pan. Bomb. Let it do what it do. And then we're gonna be back. All right, now people, one of the keys, you want to throw that thing in there, you know what I mean, like a low, medium, highish, right? One of the keys with the thick French toast covering, so that way it can cook all the way through, you know what I'm saying? Then when you flip it, that bottom side should be wild, crispity, crunchity looking, but it's cooking through. We're gonna flip it, rub it down, you know what I mean? We're gonna check this thing in a minute. We're gonna see what it do in just a minute. She cooking. Alright, so let's see where we at with it. You know what I mean? Trying to get up in there. It's gonna get messy, especially if your pan ain't big enough like I'm dealing with. Bang. They might get stuck together. Boom. It's cool to have a little darkness up on there. Bang. But the key is, because this Texas toast is so much thicker, that you need that thing to cook all the way through. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like my food to be undercooked, man. I don't like to bite into no French toast and she wild slimy up in there. You see it. French toast is in there just to cooking. We're getting that nice crisp on it. The banana, cinnamon crazy French toast, they cooking. Got some more God's Hall over here on the other burner. Eggs just came out. Throw that lid back on there for a couple more minutes, and then when you bring him out, you go ahead and hit him with the sugar, you know, the confectionery, and get him real finished up real proper, like you heard. All right, now this is how we gonna finish it off with the confectionery sugar, you know. Just go ahead, grab you some from the Stizzo. Give it a nice little decoration on top. Give it wild, crazy flavor to finishing down with, you know. Little confectionery. Bond, kids love it. Give it flavor. Opens up your palate. And there you go. Banana, cinnamon, French toast. All day, every day. Stay arrogant. Go get you some French toast, man.